Replacing the LCD screen for timeline 100. Unscrew the 4 screws at the back of the timeline 100 by using a screwdriver. Remove the back cover. Unplug the connector for LCD, antenna, speaker, keypad PCB, LED. Unscrew the 4 screws from the keypad PCB. Remove the keypad PCB. There are 4 screws holding the LCD screen. Unscrew them to remove the LCD screen. Insert the new LCD screen. Tighten up all the 4 screws to secure the LCD screen. Insert the keypad PCB back to its original position and tighten up all the 4 screws. Plug in the LED, keypad PCB, speaker, LCD, and antenna cable back to the MCU. Place the back cover. And tighten the 4 screws. Now power on the terminal to test it. FingerTec, we make things easy.